In today's video, I will be organizing under my kitchen sink and I will be putting in there all of my cleaning products. Now, I will be organizing everything by categories. So let's get started and let me show you how I have done this. I'm gonna start organizing all of my kitchen towels in these cute little baskets. In here I have a larger basket and I am going to put inside the two small little baskets that I have with my kitchen towels. I will also be putting in this basket all of the sponges that I use to clean all of my countertops, and I will also be adding to this basket all of the sponges that I use for washing my dishes. As you could see here, I have everything that I need to wash my dishes in one basket, and everything is beautifully organized. All my kitchen towels to dry the dishes. I have also the sponges to clean the countertops and the sponges to wash my dishes. I'm gonna start by putting my dishwashing detergent under the kitchen sink. Next, I'm going to put in the basket that has all the towels and all the sponges. I bought from the 99-cent store these hooks and these clips. They're excellent for organizing and they were super cheap. So I recommend for you guys to get hooks and clips, and this will make your life a lot easier when you organize anything around your house. In here I also have this little bar. I bought it from the 99-cent store, and this is used to hang curtains on your wall or your windows, wherever you want. But I will be using this differently. I will be putting the clips that have the hook, and I will be hanging all the spare gloves that I have for washing my dishes. As you could see, I am attaching the bar to two hooks which I have previously attached to the inside of the cabinet. Now I have more hooks that I can put on this bar to hang extra stuff if I need to later on. I will also be using one of the little clips to hang my dishwashing gloves. I will be putting the gloves on one of the doors of the cabinet. This way I can save a lot of space, and they will be neatly in place and ready for whenever I need to wash my dishes. The next thing that I will be doing is I will be organizing all of the cleaning products into different baskets and by categories. For example, what I have here is the basket which is for all of my dishwasher essentials. In this little bin that I have here, I will be organizing all of the cleaning products that I will be using to clean my bathroom. There you go. This is my little bucket that I have all of my cleaning supplies for my bathroom. Whenever I'm ready to wash or clean my bathroom, I just pick up the little bucket and go. On this little bin here, I will be storing everything that I will be using to clean my floors. In here I have a little basket that has holes. I will be attaching it to the inside of the cabinet, and I will be storing inside of it all of my cleaning rags. As you could see, again, I am using the little hooks that I got from the 99-cent store, and I will be using the little holes on the side of the basket to attach it firmly in place inside of the cabinet. This way I will be saving a lot of space. In here I have my latex gloves. I use these ones when I do cleaning around my house, and I also use them when I am cooking and I am handling meat. Again, I am attaching a hook inside of the cabinet and I am hanging the box, and again, this will save me a lot of space. I always like to reuse and recycle whatever it is that I have that I'm not using anymore. Like for example, this is a little pot which was used for plants, but instead I will be using it to store all of the garbage bags neatly into one place. Again, here I will be reusing and recycling things that I have laying around my house that I'm no longer using. For example, this here is a tissue box holder, and as you could see here, it has an opening, and it also has a little loop here, which is excellent if I want to hang it with a little hook anywhere that I choose. Now it has a Velcro strap here, which is perfect to keep things neatly stored in place. In here I will be putting the little plastic bags that I usually get from the supermarket. Now these little plastic bags, I am recycling them again and I am reusing them as garbage bags. Now I reuse them in small little garbage cans. For example, like the one in the bathroom or the one in the bedrooms. Anything that is little, you can use your little plastic bags that you use from the supermarket and just recycle them. Now I will be hanging this in one of the doors of the cabinet, and again it will be neatly stored in place. In here I have this little narrow basket, and I will be storing my window cleaner and my degreaser. And there you go, this is the end result. This is how I have organized under my kitchen sink all of my cleaning products. I hope I have given you guys ideas in how to organize under your kitchen sink, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please go ahead, give it a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and do it now. And thanks for watching. Bye.